Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, the normal first 36-degree low temperature in the viewing areas between October 1st and 6th. It's October 3rd, Lafayette and Attica. Normally about October 1st at Logansport and October 2nd at Kokomo. Now when we look at the first freeze, it's between October 11th and 19th. So some of these locations in our north central areas and northern areas that get down to 32, that'd be a slightly earlier than normal freeze. For the rest of the area, we're pretty much actually just a few days later than normal for the first patchy frost. 56 to 63 tomorrow. Lots of sun around. May see some clouds sneak into our far northern and northeastern counties in the afternoon. Otherwise, pretty bright day after the cold morning. 62 and a west breeze at Lafayette in the greater Lafayette area in the afternoon. 60 at Flora, 58 Logansport though, 56 Winnemac, but 63 at Attica and about 62 at Pine Village. Now, mostly sunny Wednesday morning with some patchy frost, but we rapidly cloud up in the afternoon, and we'll see at least a few scattered showers come in late afternoon and into the evening as winds pick up from the south-southeast, and a 66-degree high in greater Lafayette, mid-60s Logansport, as well as Wheatfield, DeMont up here to the north, and Boswell and Oxford about 66 degrees, 64 to 67 will do it viewing area wide. So there are a few of the clouds trying to sneak into our far northern areas tomorrow, and those quickly pull away. There's the mostly clear to clear skies tomorrow night with some of the patchy frost around, but then the clouds increase pretty rapidly on Wednesday. And by afternoon, already a few showers sneaking into our southwest counties, and a few showers will come through late afternoon and evening viewing area wide. And then the scattered showers and thunderstorms may tend to increase on Wednesday night and into early Thursday morning. You can see that right here. Here we are at 11 o'clock at night, and here we are just after midnight tomorrow night, and still a few showers and thunderstorms around 4 a.m. But then everything will tend to shift northward as the warm front goes northward. And with that, we'll see a little sun on Thursday, and we'll see temperatures rise into the 70s with winds out of the south-southeast. But this will be severe weather to the west. This will move eastward. This little line of storms will likely impact us Friday evening. Now the thoughts are that this area down here will have slight risk, and some of that slight risk may make it into our southwest counties. Otherwise, it's kind of marginal risk for severe weather. And then it's chilly and wet on Saturday. The thing is, we've got a partial eclipse on Saturday, and then we got a game at Ross-Ade on Saturday as well, Ohio State. It looks quite wet and windy and cool. And then things start to dry out and warm up next week. But you can see the severe weather threat here and how some of the risk sneaks in here by Friday evening. Again, we're kind of marginal, maybe slight, and then solid slight down here to our southwest is kind of how it's looking right now. But we're going to get quite a bit of rainfall. This is going to be a good soaking rain between Wednesday and Sunday, easily 1.5 inches to as much as 3 inches of rain. Normal high now at 68, 74 on Thursday, 74 on Friday. Cool, wet, windy weekend, and then we start to warm back up, but we may have frost and light freezing early to mid next week before we return back to the 70s at the end of next week.